Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to work with regex. So the first thing we have to do is import the module. Import. Oi, what am I doing wrong there? Oi, what's happened to my keys now? Hey, this is a good start to the video, isn't it? Okay. Things can only get better. So import regex. So you need to do that. So now I'm going to create some text called story, and this is going to be a string here. This is the string that we're going to be searching using regex. So I'm going to call it a very short story about regex. So this is a very short story about regex, probably the shortest story in the world about regex. Okay, so we're going to create a function, and the function is going to be called search string. So that's pretty self-explanatory, isn't it? Search string. So we're going to take the user entry here. So we're going to ask the user what they're looking for in this particular string. So that's going to be accomplished by entry is equal to import, and then we're going to give the user a little message. I'm going to say what are you searching for? Okay, so what are you searching for? User types in what they're searching for in this particular string up here. So I'm going to create a little variable here called matches. I'm going to equal it to regedit.findAll. Okay, so find all in the entry. Okay, so the user types in the entry what they're searching for, and they're going to find that in story. Okay, so here we go. Print. Let's have a look. Match found. Okay, match found, and then we're going to print out the match here, which is going to be matches. Okay. Right, now all that's left to do is to call the function, and we're going to call it using search string. Okay, so there we go. We're going to save it, and we are going to search this particular string here for, I think I'm going to search for this word here, about. So let's run the module. I'm searching for about. Match found about. Okay, let's search it for something like OR. Let's see if we can find OR in there. So let's have a look. OR. Okay, found. So it found two ORs here. So let's have a look what it found. So it's going to find that one, and it's going to find that one here. Okay, and the last one we'll just search for one character, which is going to be X here. So let's do that again. Search for X. Okay, match found, and of course there was only one occurrence of X in this sentence. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Hit the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.